In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete bank statements in Xero step by step. If you've accidentally imported the wrong bank statement, duplicated transactions, or simply need to clean up your records, this tutorial will walk you through the process safely and quickly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top menu bar and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the page where all your connected and manual bank accounts are listed. On the Bank Accounts screen, you'll see your available accounts, such as your checking account, savings account, or credit card accounts. Find the account that contains the bank statement you want to delete. In this example, we're going to use the checking account. Click directly on the name of that bank account to open it. Once you're inside the selected bank account, you'll see several tabs and options related to transactions, reconciliation, and statements. Look for the Bank Statements section. This is where Xero stores the imported statement lines. Now, to delete a bank statement, locate the statement or statement lines you want to remove. You'll see checkboxes next to the statement entries. Carefully review the dates and details to make sure you're selecting the correct statement. This step is very important because deleting a bank statement will remove those imported lines from Xero. Click the checkbox next to the bank statement you want to delete. If you need to delete multiple statements, you can select multiple checkboxes at the same time. After selecting the statement or statements, look for the Delete option. Once you click Delete, Xero may ask you to confirm your action. Confirm that you want to proceed. The selected bank statements will then be removed from the account. Keep in mind that if any of the statement lines have already been reconciled, you may need to unreconcile those transactions first before Xero allows you to delete the statement. So if you don't see the Delete option available, double-check whether the transactions have been reconciled. And that's it. That's how you delete bank statements in Xero. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts, open the specific account, select the bank statement using the checkbox, and delete it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Xero tips, bookkeeping guides, and step-by-step accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.